Hey guys, are you curious about what Desklog does? In short, Desklog is an all-in-one time tracking software. But what does it actually do? Desklog helps teams to track performance, manage tasks, and optimize workflows. Does it really offer that much? It offers features like automated time tracking, automated timesheets, project time tracking, project billing, profit and loss tracker, activity tracking, and other advanced features to boost workplace efficiency. Let's see how Desklog works within an organization. Meet Alex, a software developer at a growing IT firm, and his manager, Sarah. As soon as Alex logs into his system, Desklog automatically starts to track his working time. Just smooth, accurate time tracking from the moment the workday begins. On the other hand, Sarah created a new project in Desklog to manage the month's work more efficiently. Within the project, she easily added tasks and assigned them to team members, including Alex, making project execution smoother and more organized. Alex opens his task dashboard. Using Desklog's project time tracking, he sees all tasks, subtasks, timelines, and deadlines laid out clearly in a Kanban view. It even shows estimated versus actual time spent, so he knows if he's on track or falling behind. The project time tracking feature helps him thoroughly to keep up with the time spent on the tasks. Meanwhile, Alex's manager, Sarah, checks Desklog's dashboard. She reviews the team's performance. In real-time checking productivity scores, time logs, and identifying a project that's slightly delayed. Now that Alex is focused, Desklog runs silently in the background, tracking his productive and idle time without disrupting his workflow. Once he logs in, there's no need for manual input. All Alex has to do is focus on his work. Tracking everyone at once? Easy with Desklog. Sarah gets real-time insights through app, URL, and activity tracking, so nothing goes unnoticed. Desklog tracks app and website usage, activity levels, and even captures optional screenshots, giving Sarah a clear view of productivity without invading privacy. Worried about burnout from tracking? Don't be. Desklog cares about employee well-being too. That's why it includes the wellness module. It encourages timely breaks with simple activities like hydration reminders, stretch prompts, and deep breathing, helping teams stay healthy and focused. When a new project lands on your desk, it often brings a storm of questions. Project assignment, budget overruns, delays. It's enough to make anyone frustrated. But take a breath. Desklog has solutions for all of it. Curious how the project stays aligned with the budget using Desklog? Here comes the project billing feature. Desklog automatically sorts all track time into billable and non-billable hours, so budgeting stays clear and under control. There are 3 different billing types: flare rate, hourly billing based on tasks, hourly billing based on users. She selects hourly billing by task for Alex's project. Using Desklog's profit and loss tracker, she ensures the project remains profitable. Looks like he has some function. On Friday, and since it's a working day, he must need a leave. Drafting mail will be an extra process, but Desklog has the solution for it also, the built-in leave management. He can apply for leave through the Desklog calendar in just a few seconds. Once submitted, the system instantly notifies his manager, Sarah. After a quick review, she can approve the request with just one click. With Friday approaching and Alex on leave, Sarah will be short on staff and needs to adjust the schedule. Desklog's shift management lets her adjust schedules easily. No calls, no confusion. Alex has wrapped up his work hours. Time to unwind. His automated timesheet is already done. No effort needed. At 6 p.m., Alex logs out. Desklog auto-logs his day, from focus time to breaks and idle minutes. One feature that sets Desklog apart is Desklog Insights. No manual comparisons. Desklog automatically analyzes team performance, compares it with the previous week, and gives clear data on productivity metrics, project status, app usage, and more. Start your free trial at Desklog.io and take control of your team's time the smart way.